So you probably are wondering how I was able to create stunning images just like this. And the sweetest part is that these things look more realistic now. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create all of this. And the sweetest part is that I'm going to be showing you everything for free. Yes, and bear in mind that this software does not have limits. Now, if that seems like what you are going to be interested in, definitely do keep on watching. Now, on your browser, what we are going to do is that we are going to first of all sign into Google, depending on how your own is going to be. This is what my interface looks like right now. And what we are going to do is to do what? Click on Google, and then it will bring us to this interface. Now, on this interface, on this search bar, we are going to be searching for Google FX. Yes, we are going to be searching for Google FX. Now, when we are done typing, we are going to be click the one that is available. So let me just go ahead and type that real quick. Wow, now this is where it brings us to. What we are going to do is to do what? Click on this first one right here. We are going to click on this one. Now allow it to load, then it will bring us to this interface. Now you can see whisk, like create anything. Say create anything. You can see flow, you can see image effects, you can see music effects. So what we are going to do now, because we are creating an image, what we are going to do is to click on what? Image effects, because that's what we are doing. Now what we'll do is to quickly sign in. Yes, we are going to sign in to enable this app to allow us, use it smoothly. So I'll just go ahead and input my Google, and then I'll click on next. I'll check this box and click on next. Now I also read through this. After I'm done reading through this, I'll just click on continue. Voila, I'm signed in. Now we're going to also go ahead and head down to this place where it said image effects. Now what we are going to do is to do what? Click on that place, because that's what we want. Now what we're going to do is to click on it. Voila, this is what the interface look like. On this place, this arrow is pointing down, is where you can input your prompt. Yes, now on this place is the settings. Now if you want it to maintain consistent character, you click on the padlock, well, if you, and then leave it at best quality. Now we're going to head over to ChatGPT, and on ChatGPT I'm going to copy this prompt. I said, give me 5 thumbnail killer ideas that for how to get 1k subscribers and 4,000 watch hours fast. This was the prompt I give to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT went ahead to generate all of this for me. Now what next I'll do is to tell ChatGPT to generate this prompt, like this prompt, this thing that he has given to us. We should turn it into an image prompt. Yes, this is what I'm going to do real quick. So what I'll do is to just go ahead and type it real fast. Let me just go ahead and do that. Yes, let me do that real quick. Okay, then I'm done typing. Voila, you can see that it has gone ahead to turn those ideas I gave to us into an image prompt. Now this is what it looks like. That's why I love ChatGPT, because it's very fast, and sometimes gives you one of the best prompts so far. So this is what ChatGPT has gone ahead to give to us. Now the next step for us is to do what? Copy everything, like copy each prompt that ChatGPT gives to us. So this is prompt 1. Now we're going to do what? Copy it and switch over to our image effects. Now on the input area, on this input area, we are going to do what? Paste in those prompts that ChatGPT gives to us. Now mind you that you can also type in the prompt manually into this input section, but this I want it to be fast, so I'll just go ahead and click on this star icon for it to generate the images. Voila, you can see the images that this is giving to us so far. I really love this. Look at this one, and bear in mind that this gives you 4 images at a go. Now the more it generates, the less images it stops giving to you. So but the sweetest part of this is that it is super free and it's fast, and it gives you like, oh, I love this. Oh, I love this. This is super beautiful. Though you have some, misplacement of the arrows and the rest of them, but it's giving. So I can still go ahead and fine tune those prompts that ChatGPT gives to us that we use in generating this one. I can still go ahead and fine tune the prompt. Remember that you can still go ahead and redo the prompt and see what it's going to give. So now I've done gone ahead to remove some things on this prompt. I added different colors, and you can see that now we now have something moving at the left, and we now have at least a green color. So you can see now you can go ahead to tweak this to your taste, tweak it to what you want it to look like. Now this is what it gone ahead to give to us, and I really love this. Now let me show you what ChatGPT gave to us as to compare what ChatGPT gave to us. Now this is what ChatGPT gave to us. Like I must say, is not bad. It's not bad at all because we have not arranged the prompt to our preferred choice or what we want it to look like. So it's not bad for a start, but to compare to this one gives it like a 10 over 10 as to compare ChatGPT. Now the next thing we are going to do is, first of all, if you have not subscribed, please do well to do what? Subscribe, like this video, and also share this video. Now they are going to copy the second prompt and paste it in here. We're going to paste it in here and wait for it to load real quick. Let's wait for it to load. You can see what this looks like. It's not bad. Let's swipe to the second one and see what it looks like. All right, so this one, don't like it because the text written on the front. This one is also good. This one is also good. I love this. I love this. I love this. This is it. Now you can still go ahead and fine tune this prompt if you don't like it. That's one sweet thing about this. And funny enough that you can still fine tune and recreate, and everything is still free. Trust me when I say that this app or this website is unlimited. Now remember that it is free as at the time I am recording this video. Now let me go ahead and tap on this place and let's see what it comes up with again. So this is what it comes up with again. This time around I added the subscribe button at the front, and this is not bad to go with. Like, let's be honest, this is not bad. Now we can go ahead to if you feel like what it generated for you don't like it, you can still click on this button and also fine tune it to give you what you want. So this is another thing that I go ahead to generate with this particular software. Now this is not also bad, depending on the kind of prompt that I gave to it. This is not bad. And voila, this is another prompt that I gave to it to generate a movie flyer. It's not bad. And this one, voila, and this one also. Now this brings us to the end of this tutorial, and tell me in the comment section if you will try out this app or this website. Now if you have watched this video from the moment it started to this particular moment and you have not subscribed, I don't know what the problem is. Please do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe, because it helps the algorithm to push my content to another people.